Good morning. My name is Friedel. I'm from Rudy Agritactic Machines. I'm from the sales department at Rudy Agritactic. My work today is very easy. I'm gonna take the part of animal feedlot and explain also a little bit about the safety, the machinery, and so on. And then Master Ricardo will do the technical part. So this is called Bosvark. The other machine that we have, it's a pellet machine. This is it's a 3-in-1. It's a chipper, hammer mill, and a crushing machine, and also a mixer. You can also mix your part here a little bit if you want to try to mix and so on.
Specifically, we are having different uniform or safety. Like maybe there's a specific uniform that you should wear specifically when you're operating, or just any type of safety that you should wear.
So you need to have a mask. You cannot operate a machine without a mask, and the goggles also very important. Maybe the safety helmet, I will say, yeah, if it is not there, you don't need to. But the goggles, the reason is because even a stick or something can come back from the machine and get into your eyes, and you will be blind. You probably will not have one eye.
So basically this one is for branches and stalks. This one, it's for camel thorn pods or grains like your yellow maize.
Yes.
Yeah, when you are crushing maize, you use this one, not there.
Good afternoon. My name is Levin Akachana. I'm the Chief Technical Advisor on the charcoal project, which is under the NYS. And the charcoal project is basically meant to empower the youth so that they are exposed to the biomass and the charcoal industry. The animal fodder production enterprise was established and funded by Nilalik under the charcoal project. To basically expose the youth and train them so that they are able to, to establish their own enterprises. And animal fodder production has basically grown for the past 2 years, and it's in full operationals. It basically produces various animal feeds. And as you might be aware that NYS, in terms of agriculture, has everything under one roof. It produces Lycian, it produces hay and maize and different products. Now, whatever is a waste on the different enterprises becomes a feed to the animal fodder production. We have been facing some challenges, as far as the level of production, and some of the machines that we have received were not mobile. And we are very much grateful to FAO for having funded state-of-the-art machines As you can see here, I have the Bosvark machine, which is 3-in-1, and there is a mixture, chipper, and hammer mill. And this mobile is on a trailer. Basically, we can use it in the field. We've also received a palletizer machine, for value additions. And all these machines will really enhance production as far as the animal fodder production is concerned. We are very much grateful on behalf of the NYS. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to FAO for having made funds available and procure state-of-the-art machines, which have been procured and well delivered by Rudy Agritech. The company has also, conducted a comprehensive induction program for our operators to know how to operate them, how to maintain the machines in order to enhance production. We are very much grateful indeed to FAO, which has funded the voucher project, which is currently taking place at Rietfontein. Apart from the voucher project that's been funded by FAO, they have also come on board and make these two valuable machines available. We are extremely grateful.